Hi guys, this is Mr. Meller. Let's get started. We're going to make an example bridge in Onshape. So this is the bridge we're making, 18 inches long by 4 inches. It's not particularly complex, but let's get to it. Learning any new software can be challenging. So when you get to Onshape, you should see a blank screen. In the upper left, click on Create Document. Let's label this Example Bridge. And if you've already made an example bridge, how about V2 or 3? Okay, now you should have this. And so this is kind of like Tinkercad, but we have more than one workplace. Instead of just one work plane, we have 3. So we're going to click on the top one in just a minute. But the basic premise for more advanced softwares than Tinkercad is we start with the 2D sketch, and then we extrude into a third dimension. And that will give us a lot more flexibility going forward. But at the beginning, there's a little bit more of a learning curve. So in the upper left, go ahead and click on sketch. All right, then it says sketch plane. We have to select that, so click on top. Okay, with top selected, now our sketch is gonna end up there, our two-dimensional shape. We want to be looking down on this top, so we have click on top on this cube over here. All right, now it should take us to this. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on line in the upper left-hand corner. Now click on the origin, that center dot, and drag over. Then press escape. Now we're going to do the same thing in the other direction. Click on the origin, drag to the right, press escape. Now on your keyboard, we're going to press D. D stands for dimension, and it highlights this tool up here, which you could also click on. And once you've pressed D on your keyboard, go ahead and click on these lines. And we're going to make this, because our overall bridge is 18 inches long, we're going to make this 9 inches. So go ahead and click on, type in 9. And same thing over here, click on 9, press enter. And now the overall length of our bridge is 9 inches. We said that our bridge height in this example is going to be 4 inches tall. So click on line again. Now in the very center, click on the origin and just drag straight upwards. Okay. Press escape on your keyboard. And then we're going to press the dimension tool and click on that line, and we're going to make this 4 inches. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do, click on line again. Again, we're just drawing a two-dimensional sketch. Drag a line this way, press escape, click on the line again, drag a line in the other direction, press escape. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and press on dimension. We're going to dimension these two lines. Let's make this one 7 inches. And we're going to make this one over here 7 inches as well. Excuse me. Then we're going to click on line. We're going to connect the end of this top line that we've made to the bottom of our line over here. Same thing on this side. Okay. And then if we look at our bridge, the only thing we're missing are the lines in the center. So let's go ahead and add those. So we click on the corner up here. We drag it to the very center. And we click on the corner up here and drag it to the very center. Not too bad. Okay, so we want to make sure that our bridge has some thickness though, right? Because these are made out of popsicle sticks overall. So we're going to go ahead and on this toolbar up here, there's something called offset. Go ahead and click on offset. And then we're just going to click on all of the lines that make up the outer part of our current drawing. So click on this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. If you accidentally click on something too much, just double click it again, it will turn off. All right, and you should see a arrow pop up. Go ahead and drag that arrow. Okay, we're going to make it huge for the time being. And we see the dimension right here. I'm going to double click on this dimension, and it's going to let me to change it. Well, it turns out our popsicle sticks are 3/8 of an inch, so 0.375. We enter that, press enter. All right, same thing over here. We click on, we're going to do offset again. So click on offset. It should be highlighted. If it's not highlighted, then it's not selected. So double click if you have to. Click on our diagonal. Okay. Now drag your arrow down. Double click on this dimension. Same thing, 0.375. Press enter. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and press the green arrow. And now we have our two-dimensional sketch, but this is still not ideal. We want to make our bridge in 3 dimensions, right? So in the upper left-hand corner, we're going to extrude this 2-dimensional shape into a 3rd dimension. So you click on extrude in the upper left. Now we're going to select the regions of our sketch that we want to make in 3 dimensions. So I click there, I click here, and I click here, and these 2 right there. Okay, now I'm going to hold down the right mouse button on my mouse and just rotate, and look at that. We have one side of a bridge. Okay, let's make this 0.375 inches wide. Press OK. All right, next thing I'm going to do in the upper right, I'm going to click on plane. Okay, then I'm going to click on one of these, the surface of my bridge right here. And I'm going to click on offset distance. I want to make my bridge about 4 inches wide, so I'm going to press 2 and enter. Okay, and so our bridge we know is symmetrical, so we're going to use this plane to duplicate this half of our bridge. All right, so what we're looking for is the mirror function. If you go up here to the middle, it says mirror. Go ahead and click on mirror. Click on your truss, side of the bridge you've made. Then it highlights mirror plane. Well, we're going to click on the plane that we just made, plane 1. Oh, click on the red box first, then click on plane 1. Oops, how did we do? All right, and this second one should pop up. Okay, and then go ahead and press the green check mark. Very nice. Okay, let's rotate. We can see what's going on. Things are looking good. Okay, I'm holding down the right button on my mouse to rotate. All right, we need to add a bed to the bridge. So rotate and then press on the front right here. We're going to go back up to sketch. Okay, our sketch plane, just touch the top of the bottom of one of your trusses, your sides of the bridge, excuse me. Okay, now go up to our friend the line, our favorite friend. All right, you're just going to make a rectangle that fits the ends of our truss, or ends of our sides. Okay, now press the green check. We know what to do next. We're going to press extrude. Now we click on that box we just made. Oh, look at that. As we like to say, who's that thick boy? That is our thick boy bridge that we have just made. All right, 0.75, very good. Press enter. And there we go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and, let's see, take a picture of this. In order to do that, before we do that, we're going to go ahead and turn off all of these. Okay, so there's a little eyeball next to them. Just turn those off. And then we're going to press on top. And we can see our bridge from the side. It's looking pretty good. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this. Once you've taken a screenshot, then you're going to go to the project PowerPoint, insert your screenshot into here, and there'll be more instructions on how to download your file and upload it to Teams. I'll help you out with that in class. All right, that's it. Cool. We made our first bridge. Have a good rest of your day, guys. We'll see you in class. Bye.